Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly draw a heart in Illustrator. We're going to start by pressing M, or the rectangle tool, and we're going to hold Shift and drag a rectangle. Make it about that big. Then we're going to press L, which is our ellipse tool, and we're going to click on this anchor point here and hold Shift until we snap to this anchor point here. And let go. Then we're going to select this object, hold Shift and bring it down to this point, and we're going to press Alt and bring it down to here. So we'll hold Alt the whole way through and then let go. And that just duplicates the object. Then we're going to select our entire objects, or our three objects here, and go to the Pathfinder tools and Unite. Then with the object selected, we're going to rotate it by 45 degrees. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comments, questions, or tutorial requests, please write them in the comments below. If you liked the video, hit like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos. And as always, have a great day.